This is related to the industry perspective, how the industry come out and what is the present scenario of the industry. Upcoming entrepreneurs or the bankers and general politicians as well as the bureaucrats. This is Anil Reddy Vennam. I am the representative of All India Plastic Manufacturers Association, Vice President South. I was also President for Chamber of Commerce of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and I have a unit in Patancheru by the name of Nayasta Private Limited, situated at Patancheru. This is related to the industry perspective, how the industry come out and what is the present scenario of the industry. In general, whenever we talk about the industrialization, there are a lot of things we need to understand by the viewers or the entrepreneurs, upcoming entrepreneurs or the bankers and general politicians as well as the bureaucrats. Sometime back, we used to depend upon agriculture main, then coming to the relation as industrialization. Industry, there are a lot of industries available. It is not one product, humpty number of products. I mean, I can just give an example. Steel industry, I can say, steel rolling industry, electronic industry, plastic industry, paper industry, copper industry, pharma industry, or medical point of industry. There are humpty number of industries. When it comes to the educational institutions, yes, a lot of infrastructure have been created in each and every state, and the Government of India had given a lot of enthusiasm for the education, and education literacy has increased. I mean, a lot of people started learning how to move forward. So those days, each and every state to have their own languages, different languages. For example, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh to have Telugu and different languages. So now English medium has become the common, and people started growing day by day. In engineering colleges, if you look into the back after first, second, third year, at the time of fourth year, lot of scopes has come up. Apart from the engineering theory practicals, the university has made a curriculum stating that how to move forward in industrialization and what is the best opportunities for industry, so that the student who is going to complete his education can diversify his thoughts, whether to be an employer or employee. So he will be having a lot of opportunities based upon his family background. He can move forward with the other opportunities. All the educational institutions to have a tie-up with the associations, so that they can take up the programs with the association or industry bodies, so that they can make a practical or theoretical 2 to 3 months courses where they can have a first-hand information with the industry at grassroots level, where industry will be ready to provide this sort of facility, but at the same time the infrastructure for transporting point of view or giving the opportunity to them and providing lunch and breakfast, that has to be, that sort of infrastructure should be created by the college institutions or the government agencies. We cannot force the industries people to support this sort of FEBs. There are some industries they can support, but you cannot expect for the small scale sector to give this sort of support. Maybe large scale industry can provide lunch or other support, but small scale sector cannot support this sort of lunch or day, programs. But definitely any industry, small scale or large scale, they will be ready to help any upcoming entrepreneur or the education at the fourth year level or final year level. They can come to an industry with a group of people with the help of the association, and they can take the grassroots level inputs. It will only create some sort of knowledge, and once they complete their graduation or the technical courses, they can make up their mind whether to go for a job or to create any industry or any other activities. This will definitely give them an opportunity. So I request each and every sector, here it is not an individual point of view. Each and every person is more important for creating the each and every, not only the infrastructure creation, it is the support of the state government, central government. While creating a new infrastructure point of view, I can support, I can give you some helping hand, or whatever the way. If I am not able to do it, I can guide you to the different levels. Even the state government agencies are there, there are certain agencies, industries department is there. So these are all the areas where people are ready to help, but it is only thing is we require a connect. That connect, associations are ready to give that connect. Please approach the associations, either district associations, product associations, state level associations, if not the industries department. So these are the areas where you can contact. Industries department is available in each and every district. You can contact in each and every district. You can move forward. It is not compulsory to come to Hyderabad or any district state level headquarter. So you will be still more information required. You can come to capital site, but otherwise you will get all the information at district industry center. Now the present scenario in the market is most of the people have started creating jobs. You take any smallest opportunity. If you take a roadside food vendor, you will get at least 3 to 5 jobs for a labor category people. If you take little bit malls, higher side malls point of view, you will get SSC or intermediate level employment creation will take in place. If you go a little bit further, like call centers, everything, you can find graduation people or technical courses people. Like that, we have got huge number of opportunities and created from the bottom of the institution to the large scale of the institutions, like ISB coming up, IBM coming up, and IIM. There are a lot of opportunities has been created. It is the responsibility of the government to create the infrastructure for the education. That has been done. And it is the responsibility of the state level politicians and bureaucrats to create the infrastructure to make more MSME entrepreneurs to come forward by creating the infrastructure, so that the burden on MSME should not be more on investing with the land, building or any other infrastructure point of view. Presently, if you see any other state, any state, the infrastructure, the land and building itself the major concern, because each and every state had jacked up the prices to the maximum level, whereas industry cannot put their money more on land and building. It should be a minimal side, so that the entrepreneur can invest minimum on infrastructure and maximum on the machinery, so that the machinery is the life of the total heartline of the progress of the industry. The maximum best of the machinery we take, we get the best of the production and the maximum mass production, then cost effective product can be come out and we can move forward. So the government has to come up with a major point of view with the infrastructure, and we as associations had requested all the governments, not only from the government of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, all India basis also we have requested all the MSME main people and all the departments, requesting them to create infrastructure and other areas where the MSME people can participate, the maximum number of job oriented this thing. So now coming to the main focus of the industry. Yes, industry is going, industry is coming up, and it is the need of the hour from the government side and bureaucrat side to create infrastructure, and simultaneously there are a lot of small scale sector entrepreneurs after completion of the college courses, they are looking towards a small to become a small entrepreneur. Now this is the time where the banker has to come in, and banker has to support. Even the government of India had brought the best of the rules and regulations or subsidies, but still the banker is not cooperative, and bankers have their own constraints. Since banking norm is also a private sector, so they have never taken an opportunity to lend a helping hand. The banker needs 100 to 200% of collateral, so each and every entrepreneur cannot provide collateral. Even the government of India with the support of SIDBI had given a subsidy support, credit facility support up to 5 crores, but still Out of the 100 cases, if you see, hardly 1 to 5 cases has been supported by the, and 95% of the people had not got the opportunity to take the benefit of the Government of India's proactive program. So it is the duty of the MSME sector to move forward and support in such a manner that without any second thought, without any second taking the collateral, the Government of India come forward and support the small scale sector up to 5 to 10 crores, whatever the investment. This only I am talking about the machinery point of view, 5 to 10 crores. And land and building should be borne by the state governments on lease basis, long lease basis. Later on, when the entrepreneur grows up, he can buy or whatever the way he want, so that it cannot be treated as a commercial activity. It will be treated as a manufacturing, and the government has to come forward. When it comes to the once the entrepreneur starts his program and the production takes place, there are a lot of features and some sort of communication gaps within the departments. For example, MSME and other state government departments had given a very leverage to take the MSME support. Whatever the products they manufacture, it has to be purchased by the state government departments. But unfortunately, the state governments will not give the helping hand to the entrepreneurs. Unnecessarily, they create a nuisance and give the lengthy tender process, which gives a negative point to the small scale sector. There are humpty number of associations, state level associations, product level associations. So whatever the subject chosen by the entrepreneur, the same subject related to the plastic, steel or paper, every association is equivalently supportive to the entrepreneur, upcoming entrepreneur. If further any requirement is there, Chamber of Commerce is there, CII is there, and FICCI is there, and they have got very good support from the large scale supportive system is there. So I request each and every district level associations or state level associations, if they are unable to help the entrepreneur, take them to one platform, taking the support of CII or FICCI or any Chamber of Commerce or product associations, so that it will be helpful to the entrepreneur and we can move forward. This creates a confidence levels among the entrepreneur that there is somebody behind them, especially the associations. In associations, all the office bearers or honorary service people, they will be more happy to help the upcoming entrepreneur, and this will be the good opportunity for upcoming entrepreneur. See, when you are talking about the industry, it is we have to decide in which area you will be more comfortable, because the education whatever you have taken and whatever the background about your finance, depending upon that you can select the product, and based on that you can move forward to what particular sector. Each and every industry have a growth. It is not that a particular industry have there is no growth. Yes, you take paper industry, there is a growth. You take steel industry, there is a growth. Cement industry, there is a growth. Infrastructure is growing. So everywhere the growth of the industry is there. The only thing is you need to identify which is the best sector and what is your interest and what is your background of the finance, up to what level you can put your money and what level you can put, the banker can come in. All depending upon these portions, you can finalize a product and you can think of a product and you can plan a product on that particular this thing, and you can evaluate further if you take that product, how it will be, how the market will be. That sort of support definitely will be given by the association. Before going to associations, you need to give some input about your interest of working, or the background of your finance. This all matters while finalizing or supporting or giving any guidance by the associations or the district officers or anybody. And coming to the small scale sector, yes, Small scale sector, there are umpteen number of opportunities are there. Below 25 crores or below 10 crores, there are a lot of opportunities in different areas. If we come to the plastic industry, I can tell you with a span of minimum 50 to 1 crore, you can start, you can be an entrepreneur. But it is, we need to understand that by investing small amount, what is the level of amount you are expecting. If you wanted to grow, better opportunities there are there. So for growing point of view, you have to definitely be in the mass production. For mass production, you need the best of the machinery. If you are going for the best of the machinery, you need to invest certain amount of money. So where you can give a employment opportunity will be there for the poor people or the common man or the other students. So in college, wherever you are, make a group of 3-4 people. Yes, you like-minded people, come together, think twice before investing and be partners. Take the support of the associations or the some senior guidance, and you can start your own entrepreneur. Any individual cannot do depending upon the finance, but if you are close college friends or schoolmates, if somebody is there, you can make up 3-4 members group. Any individual member cannot go a bigger way. So a group of people together can have a better opportunities, but simultaneously you should be very cautious while selecting your partners. That is more important, because once the finance are involved, everybody should be cautioned about the financials. So on that way you have to move forward. Banker will never give 75%. They give 75% depending upon certain criteria. If you take the total set of your project, that will be covered, just 50 to 60% will be covered by the banker, not 75%. So at any taken point, your investment will be 50%. So that has to be very clear from your end. If you are locked in a financial initial stages, then it will be a problem for you to move forward in your project. So you have to be mentally prepared that if the project is 100 rupees, then you should have 50 rupees with you. You start with 25 you keep it as a cushion, and as and when required, you can put balance 25 depending upon the bank finance or any other source, government incentives, whatever it is. Even today, if you look, I don't want to blame any government. The incentives are not immediately available. You take any state government, 3 to 4 years, 5 years, sometimes even a lot of number of years is taking place. No doubt that will come, but based on the incentives provided by the state governments or central government, don't depend upon the government's incentives. You start your project without taking the support of the incentives. Whenever the incentives comes, you can utilize that funds for some other purpose, like clearing of your old loans, clearing or taking more infrastructure or developing for a new product. You can utilize that sort of funds. And market trend, those days market is totally driven by the individual marketing trend. Today it is a digital marketing. See, there is no need for your product to go to a company and say that this is my product, this is how it works. Nowadays each and every small, if you see the 10th class student, he will take a cell phone and Google it, and he will select his own product, whatever he wanted to take. Even if he wanted to purchase a t-shirt or shoe, he will select in the Google what sort of thing he wanted to select. So that sort of technology is available today. So like that, each and every company have the opportunities more, industries are less, and utilization is more. So there is huge scope. If you see in the recent past, I don't want to make a political statement here, but definitely each and every individual member, if you put your hand on heart, will say that each and every person is interested in Make in India program. That what we wanted to make today. We don't want it to be dependent on foreign country. Yes, those were the days we used to depend on foreign country for each and every product. Now the government is coming forward, state government and central government coming forward to help the industry in all aspects, and the government wanted to make in India or make in this Telangana, make in Andhra Pradesh, whatever the state government. So this is the best opportunity. There are a lot of products where you can come and manufacture in our India or within the state. And if you see, for example, last 5 to 10 years, this is my personal calculation. You can take the data from any import agency or export agency. Whatever we used to import, say for example 2014-15, today we have reduced at least 15 to 20%. That much I can say. And whatever we used to export in 14-15, we have increased that exports by 10 to 15%. That means in India the manufacturing has grown and manufacturing is increasing, and there are a lot of opportunities available in manufacturing. So this is the best opportunity to make in India and make in the state government. You can take lot of products. Just Google what is the maximum number of items imported. You take that percentage and you can select that product and you can start manufacturing that product. So there are a lot of opportunities, I can say. It is not only one agency, there are a lot of agencies. Since the present generation have lot of knowledge than the old people. They can Google it, they can, it is simple that they have got the better education system, they have got better knowledge. Whatever I am saying today, they can Google it and they can give more inputs than me today. It is only the helping hand they require, that we are there, but they have got better knowledge and they will succeed in all the endeavor.